kanyang pagpapakondisyon para sa
big right up.
So, Jerusalem, naka-blue.
Oo, parang maingat
Yeah.
The long bomber. Block ni Rema. Jerusalem. 23 years old. Ang kanilang taas, 5'2 si Jerusalem, 5'3 naman.
Now introducing to you first, in the blue corner, Tanoy J. Singwangcha. And across the ring is his opponent in the red corner, Melvin Gringo Jerusalem.
Choice. At si Jerusalem,
WBC.
Talo
Minimum
siya.
weight. Natalo
Talo
siya
siya.
by decision. Kanyang pagbuga ng suntok sa laban na yun eh. Mga last rounds na siya. So medyo maganda ang pasok ng kumpiyansa.
Break.
Dito kay Thailand, he fights under the name Kanoy.
record ni Kanoy, 12 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw, with 7 KOs.
Yes.
Unbeaten in his first 11 fights. He
Yeah.
lost nga in
Natalo
that
siya.
minimum weight championship.
Kailan lang.
Lang.
In fact, he's...
Tuloy ang kanyang pagpapakondisyon para sa fight na to.
Gusto niya makakuha pa. Ito po ay 105 ang minimum weight eh. Also known as the strawweight.
Strawweight all, di ba? Pero kahit na paglalakang nila, talagang maliit, no? Wow, left-right combo from Jerusalem.
Break.
Mahawak si...
Big right up. Pero tinamaan din si Melvin Jerusalem. And he felt it. Katamaan. Both fighters.
round. Whoa,
Good.
hot action.
Oo.
Sa umpisa ng fight.
Kasi doon sa opening round. And Kanoy.
Yun, mga over 110 na sila pareho, no?
Lost weight.
Okay, so Jerusalem, naka-blue. Again, snap ang mga ball. Oh, clash of heads
Kanina
again.
pa yan.
Oo.
I think the
Sakit nun. Kasi si
Southpaw.
Southpaw.
Talagang magkakauluhan niya. Tapos bigla pang pumapasok.
The right foot and the left foot are like so close.
Pwede kang madulas. Magkapa ka ng paa. Come in. Good
solid.
shot to prevent any damage for low blows.
Naghahanap ng kanyang left straight.
Stop.
Naman para kay Jerusalem.
Challenger from Nicaragua, Daniel Diaz.
The former world title challenger Daniel. Siyempre, dalawa kung sino unang papasok eh.
Oo.
So nagkakaroon ng parang weight.
10 seconds.
Wow.
Parang maingat
Yeah.
Wow. Meron
Magkamali ka
Stop!
lang dito,
Stop!
Kanoy.
also known as Kanoy Singwang Cha in Thailand.
Oh, there. Good right.
Na yung ulo niya eh. Look at when he throws the right hand. Uluhan talaga itong dalawang to.
This is a 10-round fight.
Yes.
Santissima, another bright prospect of Ala. Diane Casillao po kasama si ang bakbakan sa minimum weight division. At nasa corner ni
move.
Jerusalem. Good fundamentals in
Oo.
boxing, no? Super disiplinado.
Yun ang kanyang
Six-pack
nickname.
yan palagi.
Okay, break.
Good shots.
Okay, go.
Kanina pala yung si Esnet Domingo,
Go, Net,
pamangkin
Net.
pala ni Michael
Yeah,
Domingo.
go.
Bloodline, the fighter we saw action. Good left by Jerusalem.
Nakalabas
Okay,
na
10 seconds.
tape.
Sabi talaga yung loose tape para iwas-iwas sa mata mo.
Para dito sa
Good one.
dalawang boxer, very active. Magan
Stop.
Right to the body. At nagre-reklam.
na to
If you
raise
close
his
up.
punches, yeah.
Mo naman itulak yung ulong pababa. Kaya
Aray,
naging doblo. Yun
Kasama ulo, pinapasok yung
Kaya napakadelikado makakounteran siya dyan.
nga, no?
Pero first round, na-champion si ni Kanoy. Momentum carries his head. Nadadala siya, sumasadsad siya up against a good counter puncher.
Kano by the name Singwan Cha. Oh, right
Good
straight
right.
from Jerusalem, malakas. Jerusalem from the Ala stable in blue.
The blonde bomber. Good shots. Dito
For how
siya
many years?
taghal. Win. So ngayon, binago na ang kalakaran at sinasabi, hindi, pagbibigyan ka na, grabe,
Yeah.
ang low blow.
10 seconds.
Good right hand.
Init ang footwork ng dalawa.
Another right hand.
Parehong hot. Hot na hot.
Nagkakapigulan eh.
Oo.
Attendance.
Yes.
Boss Peter.
The voice.
Red.
At ngayon, mapapakinggan natin siya sa DZM. Balik tayo sa boxing dito. Mainit ang aksyon
mainit.
dito sa minimum weight division. 100
A lot of headbutts.
duguan.
Ano?
This is a 10-round fight. Nasa round. How do you see it? Pretty even.
Medyo lamang ng
Jerusalem bouncing around, showing his light feet. Nasa kondisyon ng dalawang fighter. Wow!
good.
Jerusalem, kakalaban lang. Lost a 12-round
Stop.
World Cup.
No? And his balance. Kailangan ayusin niya yung balance niya. No? Yung footing niya. I'd like to see him work on that left jab, right straight combination. Sumasadsad siya. Nadadala siya ng kanyang moment.
Mainit ang ilaw dito sa ibabaw ng ring. Mainit rin ang sa ABS-CBN.
Ito ang fish stick telenovela.
Babayan natin, overseas talagang inabangan to yung boxing. Wow,
Good
action
left.
here right in front. Lubid. Oh, right kanan rin si Jerusalem.
Maganda mapatama ni Jerusalem. A little bit
Wow,
wild,
very active here. Super light talaga.
but nagkakapikunan eh.
Si
Magnifico.
Magnifico.
Ayan, yan ang
Magsayo.
mga tandaan yung mga nicknames na yan sapagkat yan po ang magiging
break.
tuktok na. At meron namang isang good luck.
Oo nga, no, yung isa taga.
Good luck ni Rema. Kailangan pa yung head movement niya. Kailangan ayusin. Title challenger early this year.
Dalawang laban sa 2017. Regular nang lumalaban to si Jerusalem sa
Ito eh. Oh, good left hook by Jerusalem.
wow.
Okay,
Anong,
box.
ano,
Isa pa.
untugan talaga.
Parang tingin ko malapit eh. No?
Oo nga eh.
Look at part of Jerusalem. Kaya talaga magka-clash na. See him work on that left jab, Jerusalem. Work on that left jab. Para yung good left.
Medyo looking just a little bit winded si Kanoy
Waiting for the
na
big counter.
magtatapos 10-round fight.
Eagle. Can't put his punches together. Medyo kulang
Ayun!
sa community. Ayun!
Stop!
On division fight.
Sa
Orthodox.
Orthodox. At nagkataon na pasimple lang. Oh. Talaga magkakapikunan itong dalawang to.
He has been campaigning all over the process. One draw. Si Jerusalem. So bago itong taon to, undefeated.
Fight went the distance. Jerusalem.
Oh!
That's a knockdown. That's a knockdown. That's a knockdown. Hinihintay ni Kanoy. Sinasabi ko na he is susceptible to a counter punch.
Tama,
Ah.
knee drop, no?
Oo, the patience of Kanoy paid off.
For broke. Todo Hato with his whole body weight.
Champa ka lang. Oh, good left-right combination.
Ayan. Sinusubukan makaba. I'd like to see a replay mamaya after this
Oo.
round. And, oh, ayan, strong right.
And acceptable.
Pinoy versus Pinoy. From Cebu. Suffering
Not lunging in.
Yun nga sinasabi ni Attorney Ed kasi yung ulo niya and then tamang-tama yung counter ni Kanoy. Ayun, uy.
Reklamo na naman. I think na naku.
Low. Ayun. Excited ang corner ni action. Whoa.
Oh! Siya, kumbaga feeling niya naisahan siya.
Good.
Pero
Headbutt, ha? Trying to headbutt again.
From underneath, no?
Hook. Which is delivered
Taas,
after.
taas.
Sinabi naman si Kanoy na huwag ka naman masyadong hawak. Oh, good right hand by Jerusalem. Ilo nila eh. Alam mo.
Similar nga sila, no?
Oh, parang awkward yung kanilang mga stack.
Action pack mula sa umpisa.
Oh, good.
Good job. Featherweight Championship. Samantala, balik po tayo dito sa Laban Jerusalem, Kanoy.
Instead of waiting too long, sabayan na niya.
Jerusalem.
Before delivering that right. Look at that, off balance. Wala yung power, nababawasan yung power ng kanan niya eh.
Pero hindi siya nagpa-plant kapag bumibitaw ng suntok, no? Plant and then let loose.
That's the way to do it. At yun, look at that. That's the problem of Jerusalem.
Concerned ang corner ni Jerusalem. And last 30 seconds, around 9.
Going referee banal kay Kanoy. Ayun, humahawak na naman si Kanoy. Pasimple lang.
Oh. Sa mainit na bakbakan, Jerusalem in blue and Kanoy in gray. Action pack.
Mas makamay si
This
Jerusalem.
round.
Wow,
Uy, got
kanan.
through. Yung kanan. Oy!
Oh, Dayan, the same problem.
Jerusalem, makikita nila yun. Ayun.
Or you might want him to move up in
Oh.
weight. Make grown this minimum weight class. Jerusalem. From. Oh, and again, he got caught again. This is going to be a
Ayun,
tough
yung
fight to
corner
score.
ni Kanoy shouting to him, 1 minute na lang. Nakita na natin, they're stepping on each other's feet, no? Because of nga yung isa. Diba?
Oo.
Yung nakatapak
Nakaka-apekto
ka.
rin. Oh, the crowd
Oh,
loving the
the
action.
clash of heads,
Another clash of
as
heads.
we have seen throughout this fight.
Because
All three are in favor to the winner by unanimous decision. Kanoy J. Siwanta!
Wow!